welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are safe and sound wherever you are. So today I'll be sharing with you a little homemade remedy for dry cough. You see, when you start having this symptom of dry cough, runny nose, don't be scared. All you have to do, pick up some garlic, some ginger, some lime, and honey. Now, stay tuned and let me show you how you can put them together. So guys, that is it. So I'm actually going to be giving my kids. So this is for me and this is for my kids. In case you are giving it to a child, all you have to do, add a little water to dilute it a bit, then add a honey to it and then give it to that child. But right now I will not be adding water. Instead of water, I'm going to be using orange, just to enable them to drink it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just cut the orange into two. And then I'm going to squeeze the juice inside. This is not part of it, so I'm just doing it so that they can take it, but I won't be adding it on my own. Honey is okay for me. So just, if you don't have orange, you can, oh my god, if you don't have orange, you can use water, just to make sure that they will take it. So that is it. So next thing, I'm going to add honey. Okay. I also need honey in my own. So
mix everything together. That is done.
So right now I'm going to test it. Very, very hot and peppery, and that is how it should be. Except you are giving it to a child, then you have to let it cool down a bit before giving it to that child. It's not sweet though, and it doesn't have to sweet because it is called medicine and not juice. Look at the result here. See the one I'm sweating. See, it's working. Take it morning and night, morning and night, and if persists, then you can go and see doctor. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, why not give it a thumbs up, share this video, it might help someone out there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe, stay healthy. Love you, baby. Oh.